Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you how to download and install Webdown.net. And let's start.
Everybody fucking jump!
You have to open the browser and go to the www.thatpan.net, and then you have to go on the right side of the website. It's a pan.net 4.0.21, and then click it, and then you have to download it. So you have to download over here .png and then free download now, and then start download. It takes some seconds, 1 minute. I'll be right back. I'm back now. It's 12:11 seconds, and then wait. Now it have done. Add it over here, and then extract file here. Over here is pan.net. Click, run it. Yes, and then extract in pan.net. Wait. So be sure leave a like if you like this video or tutorial, and smash that subscribe button to support me. And now you have to do the express, not custom. You can do custom, or I do express next, and then go to this link, agree next. Pan.net is being installed. Wait, and now next. What happened? Oh, you have to wait and be patient because it takes some time. Wait for a minute, and yeah, it's pan.net was installed successfully. Let's finish to close the, and you have to finish it, and here you go. This is your pan.net. It's so easy. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.